Africa, the world's second largest and second most populous continent, is a land of immense diversity and rich historical depth. Its geographical features and historical developments have significantly shaped its cultural and socio-economic landscape. This script will offer a broad overview of Africa's geography and history, summarizing key aspects and major milestones. Geography. Africa spans over 30 million square kilometers, encompassing a range of diverse landscapes and climates. The continent is characterized by its vast deserts, such as the Sahara in the north, which is the largest hot desert in the world. To the south, the Kalahari and Namib deserts dominate parts of southern Africa. In contrast to its arid regions, Africa is also home to lush rainforests, particularly in Central Africa. The Congo Basin rainforest is the second largest tropical rainforest in the world, following the Amazon. Africa's significant mountain ranges include the Atlas Mountains in the northwest and the Drakensberg Mountains in the southeast. The continent is also home to Mount Kilimanjaro, Africa's highest peak at 5,895 meters, located in Tanzania. The African Great Lakes, including Lake Victoria, Lake Tanganyika, and Lake Malawi, are notable freshwater bodies. These lakes are vital for the ecosystems and populations living around them. Africa's rivers, such as the Nile, which is the longest river in the world, the Congo, and the Zambezi, are crucial for agriculture, transport, and industry. The Nile, flowing northward through northeastern Africa to the Mediterranean Sea, has historically been vital for the civilizations that developed along its banks. History. Africa's history is both ancient and complex. It is widely recognized as the cradle of humankind, with evidence of early human life dating back millions of years. The continent's rich archaeological sites, such as those in Ethiopia's Rift Valley, provide insights into early hominid evolution and prehistoric cultures. Ancient civilizations flourished in Africa long before European colonialism. The ancient Egyptians, with their monumental pyramids and sophisticated society, are perhaps the most well-known. Egypt's influence spread throughout the ancient Mediterranean world, and its contributions to writing, mathematics, and architecture are still celebrated today. In West Africa, the empires of Ghana, Mali, and Songhai thrived between the 7th and 16th centuries. These empires were renowned for their wealth, particularly from the trans-Saharan trade in gold, salt, and other commodities. Timbuktu, a city within the Mali Empire, was a significant center of learning and culture. The spread of Islam from the 7th century onwards also had a profound impact on Africa, influencing many societies across the continent through trade, education, and cultural exchange. The transatlantic slave trade, beginning in the 16th century, was a dark chapter in African history. Millions of Africans were forcibly taken to the Americas, with devastating effects on African societies and economies. The 19th and early 20th centuries saw the scramble for Africa, during which European powers colonized almost the entire continent. The colonial period imposed artificial borders and systems that often disregarded existing ethnic and cultural divisions. Post-World War II, the decolonization movement gained momentum. Countries across Africa achieved independence from colonial powers throughout the 1950s to the 1970s. This period marked the beginning of a new era for Africa, with many nations striving to develop their economies, governance, and social structures amidst a legacy of colonialism. Conclusion. Africa's vast geographical features and rich historical experiences have shaped its diverse cultures and modern challenges. From its ancient civilizations and natural wonders to the impacts of colonialism and ongoing development, Africa remains a continent of profound significance and potential. Understanding Africa's geography and history provides essential context for appreciating its current dynamics and future prospects. Don't share sensitive info. Chats may be reviewed and used to train our models. Learn more. ChatGPT can make mistakes. Check important.